The Marketing Command Center identifies new revenue opportunities and prioritizes the programs most likely to drive growth. Teams of specialized AI agents continuously reason over product launches, customer data, and engagement signals. Agents have flagged a geothermal cross-sell program as highly recommended. Selecting Evaluate opens the cross-sell workspace, where agents summarize strong sentiment fit and demand for geothermal solutions among existing rooftop solar customers. Agents evaluate buyer roles and personas and the most attractive target account types. Selecting geothermal to rooftop solar insights shows the agent's rationale. They organize and summarize data on target customers, readiness to buy, and industry affiliation. We confirm the recommendation by selecting Create Cross-Sell Program. The system has already created a program strategy using progression probability models and shared opportunity context. Opening the program shows that agents have already reasoned over the objectives and target audience using historical performance to recommend tactics. We confirm the recommended customer success story email to help build buyer trust. Next, we configure to review the tactic and make any desired changes to the message. Agents have drafted a personalized case study email based on the buying group, customer interests, and engagement history. We select Confirm. The system moves work forward by completing program setup and aligning the email to the program goals. Back in the cross-sell workspace, the new geothermal program is now active. Returning to the Marketing Command Center, specialist agents continue monitoring engagement signals, progression, and exceptions. As the conditions change, they recommend the next best actions so cross-sell programs stay on track and marketing impact continues to improve.